Hanging your tube-shaped product can be challenging. Hanging your tube-shaped product with a horizontal label placement can be an even bigger challenge. Fortunately, for the Natural Dog Company, Do It Corporation had an ideal solution: its 2 MFN printed merchandising display strip. Not only does the merchandising strip attractively hang the unique paw taction and paw smoother healing balm treatments for dogs, it creates a visually unique method of displaying these 6 products anywhere in the store. The horizontal product placement in the display strip takes advantage of the logo orientation on the container. Do It Corporation digitally printed the header of the strip, then applied the header to the clear 15 mil plastic just prior to die cutting the entire strip. By digitally printing the header, Do It was able to carefully color match the teal and brown colors on the product. The large printed header area and unique product presentation grabbed customers' attention as they walked down the aisle of any store. An attractive product, an interesting display method, and increased sales for the Natural Dog Company.